Captain Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Roanoke County, the city of Salem, the city of Roanoke, west central Bedford County, southwestern Botetourt County, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Roanoke, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Salem, Vinton, Troutdale, Montvale, Stewartsville, and Hollins.